you see me rolling.
Hi everyone, it's Saturday afternoon and I thought I would do a weekly vlog starting today to show the celebrations of Halloween, early bonfire night and just what I'm up to this week. I have just had my lunch and I'm away to head into town to have a nosy round the shops and then the cinema tonight to see Bohemian... That was my phone. Bohemian Rhapsody. I can't say it, but it's the movie about how Tween came about. So I'm really looking forward to that. That's with my friend Alina and my helper Davy. So I'm just ready to head into town now and see what there is in the shops. Oh my goodness, town was so busy today. If it's like that at the end of October, what's it going to be like in December? I didn't do any filming really. Dave and Mum's had their Christmas decorations up, which I think is way too soon. It's alright having like products out and all that, but really decorations way too early. So I'm just at the cinema now waiting for my friend. I am definitely having a Domino's beforehand. I am starving, but yeah, I'm just waiting in the car. What is it, Neil? You want to try the sweets, Neil? Holly?
Maybe.
Nah. Afternoon everyone, it's Sunday now. I didn't end the day yesterday. After the cinema it was just so cold, dark, I was tired and I had to finish editing a video that is up now. It's going up today about my trip to Shetland in March. It's a bit late in the game but it's still good to show how accessible Shetland was for my wheelchair. So the cinema yesterday, the movie was amazing. I really liked Bohemian Rhapsody. I don't really listen to Tween that much, or I do, but I don't like think it's Tween or that. I didn't really know much about them, so it was really interesting to see the story and to listen to the music. So today I am going to get some pumpkins for Halloween. Going to the supermarket to do that, and then I've got a family meal tonight. I feel like I'm always videoing when I'm eating, but I've got my leftover pizza. I can't do it. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. Ugh. Oh my god. Leftover pizza from yesterday. And I'm just going to eat this and then head to the shops. So we'll see how much videoing I actually did on today. Wow, they're huge.
Doesn't even really do it justice, eh?
I don't really like that. Was a bit dirty, but that's huge. Oh, sorry, I didn't even see that. So what one do you think? Is there dead white ones in there? What's the one here? White.
This one.
Yeah. Let me go back.
Quite too marked.
Yeah. Did I fit a journey reveals on? Yeah, I should do. Is there any better ones there? How much are those ones? Well, if you're paying the same price, it's probably better to get a bid on it.
That one gives you a big space at the front.
Yeah,
It's
that's
a bit
it.
squished at the back.
Yeah, maybe that one actually.
Yeah. Squash.
Yeah, right. Oh, some behind you. That would wash off though, wouldn't it? And it's quite bitter. Yeah?
Yeah. So this hand will take some damage this week.
Two pumpkins. Hi everyone, it's now Monday and again I forgot to end my vlog yesterday. I'm still getting used to this vlogging every day, so apologies. But today didn't turn out as well as I hoped. Every morning I wake up and deep down I always have this horrible feeling that someone's on the phone in sick. Just because I rely on people every day, so if they're ill, it affects me too. So today I did get a text to say that a helper was ill and wasn't able to come in. So that's quite a stressful thing for 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning. I had to organise to see if someone else to cover for them. luckily today I was able to get another one of the helpers to come in and do some hours with me, but it wasn't the full shift that I had planned for today because I had to text her in the morning. She wasn't able to come in till later, and then she had to leave early because they have a life too. They have plans, so it is quite difficult in that sense. So all the plans that I had for today didn't all go out the window, but most of them did. Because I wake up with that dreaded feeling, and then when it becomes a reality, I stress out. So it just makes me feel off all day, and I am feeling behind on things because I didn't get everything done today, and I don't have the support that I was expecting. So today I've just been videoing a couple of videos for work, doing some work, and yeah, that's really it. I was hoping to carve some pumpkins today from purchasing them yesterday, but that didn't happen, so I'll have to add that into the rest of the week. But I kind of had my week already all planned out, so I'm going to have to try and fit it in somewhere. So yeah, not a really great start to the week, Monday morning and all that. It's definitely not a motivation Monday today, but I'll see what else I get up to today. I'm just filming another video just now, and before the daylight goes away, because I hate doing it when it's not natural lighting. So I'm doing that just now, and then just wait till my parents come home, see what's for tea, and yeah, we might have a crispy crown donut tonight. That sounds good. The dent on Monday. But this vlog of my Monday isn't going to be what I expected it to be today, because I'm not doing what I was expecting to do today, and I don't know how the rest of the week is going to look, because I'm just going to have to cram everything in. I was going to go out for Halloween on Wednesday, like obviously not trick-or-treating because I am 24, but my friend takes her little brother out, so I was going to go out with them, but it's meant to rain, so we'll just have to wait and see. The weather changes like every day, every hour basically usually, so yeah, I'll just have to wait and see what the weather's like on Wednesday morning. But that's my update for my Monday, and nothing really exciting, but I might check in with you guys in a little bit. Also though, this GoPro battery is rubbish, and I can't change it myself, so sometimes it dies and there's nothing I can do about it. So that's frustrating as well. I'm really gonna have to look into another form of battery or see why they're not lasting as long, because it should last longer than what it is. I've decided to do the free version of Disney Life to get the Halloween movies for this week. Got my crispy crown donut, well, half of it anyway, and a cup of tea. I'm going to end the vlog here just because my helpers will be in soon tonight for the evening shift. So I'm just going to chill before they come and yeah, have my cup of tea and donuts. So I shall see you tomorrow. Morning guys. I can't believe this is the first morning that I actually have been able to start my vlog. And this week has not turned out the way I wanted it to, and today I am feeling rubbish. I've been feeling rubbish every day really, but my throat is so sore today, and I literally could not open my eyes when my helper came in today. But I'm still up and waiting for someone to come and service the one of many equipments that I use daily, so that's why I'm up early. Well, not early, it's like 11 o'clock now, but I just didn't want to get up today, but I had to because they were coming. And then I have work today, so going in at 2 o'clock, and I've just got a few things to do at home as well. I need a bit of assistance to go on the train for Friday, because I'm going through to Edinburgh to see you instead. And yeah, I've just got to check my emails and do some work on social media. So today again it's probably going to be really boring. I've not really got much planned. I'm able to video because I don't really want to video when I'm at work or that. But I guess we'll just see what happens. So I will check in with you guys later. Morning everyone, it's Wednesday and it's Halloween, so happy Halloween. Today I'm carving my pumpkins. I need to film a video for work though, so Lindsay's going to carve the inside of the pumpkin out whilst I'm doing that, and then after lunch I'm going to carve the outside of the pumpkin. So I really need to get this video done, and then I'll be able to enjoy Halloween. I think my neighbour's maybe coming over with a couple of kids that she looks after, so yeah, that'll be fun too. So I'll check in with you guys later. Lindsay's finished stripping out the inside of the pumpkin, and I think I've finished videoing my video. So let's start carving these pumpkins. everyone. Well, I've already filmed what I've done today, so this is kind of a intro slash outro to the day. And I was in such a hurry today because I had an appointment at the hospital at 10:30. So I was rushing about trying to get ready and head off to that. Nothing that I've not done before, just a routine check-up that I do every so often. But then I had the beauticians, which is at the hospital. It's just more accessible from a wheelchair, so I always try and go there when I have an appointment, kill two birds and all that. And then I was in town. I'm helping a student at the University of Dundee with her dissertation involving wheelchair access in the city centre. So we were just wandering around and looking at how I get on in the streets of the city centre. We went into the Veldate, which some of you might know, it's a shopping centre in Dundee. There's the Overdate and the Veldate. The Veldate is a little bit more, how would you describe it? It's just not one of the best shopping centres, but there is some good shops in there. So we went in there because I needed to dip into Bonfire, and they have a new shop, TJ Hughes. This is just opened. It used to be the Veldate, then it left when I was really young, and now it's moved into another shop that's shut down. So I knew where the lift was. I don't like using the lift in the Veldate. It's just really old and I don't trust it. So before the other shop shut, I used to use that lift. So when it shut, I was really disappointed because I could only use the Veldate lift. So anyway, it's open now and under TJ Hughes. So I went to the lift and pressed the button, and then a staff member came over and said, "Oh no, sorry, that's just for stock, you can't use it." And we just looked at her because we couldn't see any other lift, so we asked, "Well, how do we get down?" And she was like, "Oh, well, you can use it this one time." So we used it, went downstairs. It was filthy. You could tell that it was just a stock lift. That's hardly interrupting me. You could tell that it was a stock lift. And so we went downstairs and came out, and I couldn't see the entrance to the shop. So we went back upstairs and I just went down like the actual Veldate lift to investigate downstairs. But later on I asked a member of staff, what would a wheelchair user do in this situation? And they said you would just have to go outside the shop, use the Veldate lift, and then go back in the shop. Which isn't the best situation. Like, if you've looked at items upstairs, you want to purchase them, but you also want to look downstairs, you'd have to leave it somewhere, ask the member of staff to guard it or pay for it, and then like go downstairs and look at other stuff and pay for it down there. It's just not the best situation. Anyway, it's not a very good situation. The lift for the Veldate is at the other side of the shopping centre, and it's really small, so you're waiting for about 15 minutes to use it. So yeah, and then we went to Tostos is a shop. Tostas for a tea intake. They have their Christmas tops already. It's not even December, but whatever. And then I came home. Oh no, I went to Primark, which I'll probably do a shopping haul next week for that. I then came home. My hoist wasn't charging properly, so I had to phone and sort that out. Had my tea, just chilling out, and now I'm just gonna jump into bed and watch some TV. Well, not jump into bed, use my hoist and getting to bed that way. So I will see you tomorrow. I need to get organised because we're off to Edinburgh tomorrow to go visit Ewan's dad. So you'll probably not see me until I'm on a train because the train is at 17 minutes past 10, which is so early, and I really hope I make it. So I will see you tomorrow. Well everyone, that's us on the train on the way to Edinburgh. I don't know if you can hear me right now, but we're on one of the new trains, which is quieter than other ones, although the ramp was really steep to get up. So I don't know how I'm going to manage when we get to Edinburgh. But I look a mess. We made it to the train station with 10 minutes to spare, which is a record for me. But I'm ready to do my makeup, and then when we get to Edinburgh, head for the Ewan's dad's office. So I'll try and video some of today, but I don't know how much I will get.
You look like a ghost because it's so sunny that
I know. I can't even see like the colours in my eyes. But I can do mascara without looking into anything. It's not easy, just follow your eyelashes. Maybe just if I have warm eyelashes. That was right. Yes. Well guys, that's me back from Edinburgh, and now I'm heading to Dobby's Garden Centre for their fireworks display. I know it's only the 2nd of November, but they're having it early. So I'm off there, and hopefully it's not too cold.
So, yeah. Okay.
I can't wait to do anything. Stars. Not many people do like the videos on Instagram, like
Of their names?
yeah. Well everyone, that's me back from the early fireworks at Dobby's. As I said, it's Friday, the 2nd of November today, so Bonfire Night isn't till Monday, but I don't know why they didn't do it on Monday. My face is a mess, like, I needed my makeup off, my eyes were really hurting, so, and now my ventilator mask has obviously marked my face and it's a mess. So I'm just going to go to bed and edit this video. I'm going to end this weekly vlog here. I know I said I was maybe going to do Saturday, but I think I will just end it here because then it's a full weekly vlog. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel for hopefully more videos like this. I've got some really exciting videos hopefully coming up at Christmas time, so stay tuned for them. And yes, like this video if you like the weekly vlogs of a journey in my Wales. And yeah, I shall see you soon. Bye.